Hello, welcome to the Lumi Business Demo. As a distributor, it's very important for you to be able to keep track of your inventory, have control of your stock, and the Lumi Business Platform is the perfect solution for you. Over here, once you log in, you would see these short tutorial videos on how to create your store, how to add products, and how to sell products, which are the three basic things you need to get started on Lumi Business. This demonstration is just to show you what's available on the platform and all you can do on the platform. We would also provide additional training for you once you're ready to get started. So everything you need to manage inventory is here. Once you click on this sidebar, this would pop up. The first thing you would need to do is create your store. To do that, you click on add new store, you enter your store name, address. There's a more comprehensive video on our YouTube page. As a distributor, what you need to activate is waybill and custom pricing. Now the custom pricing allows you change the price at checkout. That's if you're too busy to update the price back end, you can simply update it at checkout and it will only reflect for that particular transaction. For it to reflect on other transactions, you would need to update it back end. So once you're done, you create store. Next thing would be to add your products. Like I mentioned earlier, we are going to provide onboarding support at an additional cost, or you can also do it yourself. It's pretty simple. The first thing you would do when you're about to upload your product is to click on the bulk upload products option. There you can download the CSV file and upload it with this button. Once you're done filling the product's name, category, quantity, and every other field contained on that CSV file. Subsequently, you can then use the single product option to create your products. So you fill in the product's name, category, and every other thing that is required. We also have like additional pricing option you can use. So let's say you have like your wholesale retail price, you can also do like a discount as well. So you can just enter the discount here as 10%, and this will then sell for 9,000 naira instead of 10,000 naira. So once you're done, you click on create products and you have successfully created your product. Subsequently, when you have orders from your suppliers, you can update that with the supplier name. You then select your store, your store, and update the products. So let's say this is 10. You can update the selling price and the cost price if that is going to change. So you do that continuously for all your products. Yes. And we also have returns. So if a customer is not satisfied with an order and wants to return it, you can use this button to manage your customers' returns. This you can use it to export your current inventory, and you can use this to transfer from one store to the other. So for example, if you have two different stores and you're moving from store A to store B, you can use the transfer stock option. Reconciliation helps you with your stock taking. So if you need to ensure that you have like accurate stock counts at all times, you can use the reconciliation button to reconcile your stock. So I'm going to do an example right now. Okay. Okay, so you click on reconcile stock, you select the store, and you click on reconcile. So once you do that, you get a pop-up of the items you have in store, the system count. You see this here, I have 60, If I do a physical count and I have 55 here, it means there is I'm short by 5 products, and this is the estimated impact. So once you're done, you submit the reconciliation for approval. Let's assume it's your manager that's doing the reconciliation. So here, once you click on review, you can see the items that have been impacted. You can do an investigation as to why you're short by 5 products. Then you can either approve. Once you approve, system counts will be updated to 55 instead of 60. And if you reject it, the change is not going to be effected. So now let's move on to the sell mode. So once you click on sell mode, you have a list of all of your stores. That's if you have more than one store. You click on the store you want to sell from, and you will be redirected to your sell mode. So to sell an item, you simply add the item to cart. So I would add this to cart and this to cart as well. So if you are ready to sell the item, you can just click on checkout. Otherwise, you generate it as a bill and raise an invoice to send to your customer. Or if your customer is ready to pay, you just click on checkout. Once you check out the item, you can select how your customer is paying: cash, card, transfer. So I'll click on card, and so here you can enter your customer's details. If you've already saved that, you can just simply click on search for the customer. It comes up, and the additional notes, you can include that there. So here you can generate invoice, or if you need to send the order to the customer, you just generate a way bill that you can give to the driver, and then you can also print the receipt or send it to the customer via email or WhatsApp. So that's everything on the sell mode. We also have additional features which you can use to manage your inventory. We have reports that gives you a simple P&L statement of your account. So once you click on it, you can choose to select a different date, but here you can see what your profit looks like at the end of the day. We also have credit reports for your customers that purchase on credit. You can track everything here. For your products that are products you're about to run out of, you can use the stock out reports to track the products that you're running low on. You can also use this to track your losses from inventory, maybe expired products or stolen products. You can track how much loss you've made from inventory loss. We also have expenses. You can use this to track what you're spending most on: diesel, if it's transportation, basically all of the administrative cost of running your business. You can use the expense analytics to track what you're spending most on. And then we also have the customer dashboard that allows you to track your top spending customers. Once you click on them, you can see how much they have spent on your business, how much they are owing you if applicable, their birthdays if you save that, their personal information, their phone number, so you can push out messages from time to time to them. You can also track your suppliers here, so you can see how much you're owing them. If you're owing them, you can also view all of your invoices. And here under sales transactions, you can track everything you have sold. You can also export end of day to see your sales for a particular day or month or year, whatever time range you want, you can use this to track that. You also have stock history. You can use your stock history to track everything that has happened for a particular product. You can also download a report here and select what you're looking for, whether it's sold items, reversed items, or deleted items. You can track all of that here. And you can also filter for a particular store. We also have credit log. So the credit log allows you track customers that are owing you. So if a customer has purchased an item on credit and is ready to pay back, you simply click on updates to update that credit transaction. Select the store the customer is paying to. Then you update. So once the update has been made, you can see now that the customer's credit outstanding balance is 0, and then you can do same for all of your other customers that have purchased on credit from you. So that's basically the a quick recap on how the platform works. You can also reach out to us via WhatsApp or email if you would like a personal demonstration, so you can ask additional questions you may have about the platform.